Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can add video to the CapCut PC app. Open the CapCut PC and tap on your project. So actually, it's super simple. After you open it, you can select import in the media, select import, then select the videos that you want to edit. For example, select the videos and then select open. So the videos has been imported to your CapCut apps. Just drag to the track to edit the video. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.